Hi guys! Today we allow Steam to access the camera on iPhone. So first of all, unlock your iPhone and open the Settings app. This is where all the control options for apps and permissions are located. It's important to start here because you can manage which apps have access to features like camera, microphone, and more. Without opening Settings, we won't be able to allow Steam to access the camera. Now, scroll down inside Settings until you reach the section for AAPs. Tap on it to see all the apps installed on your iPhone. This gives you control over individual app permissions. We're looking for Steam specifically, so stay focused while scrolling. At the top, you'll see a search bar. Tap on it and type Steam to find the app quickly. Once you type it, the Steam app will appear below. Tap on Steam to open its specific settings page. On the Steam app page, look for the option that says Allow Steam to access camera. Simply toggle it on. This will give Steam permission to use your iPhone's camera whenever it's needed. Now you're ready to scan QR codes or use any camera-related Steam features. And that's it. Steam now has access to your camera on iPhone. If this helped, make sure to subscribe and comment if you want more iPhone app tutorials.